Hello, it's Davida. I am back with another collaboration challenge. Yes, tonight I am doing, and I'm super excited to be doing this with RoseM Creations. Now, this young lady has been doing some fantastic pours. So I'm going to do mine, and then I want you to hop over to her channel and check her video out. We're only using 3 colors: black, red, and white. Now, yes, my base is going to be white, but I'm going to incorporate some white, and I'm going to do a pour. Pour them in a cup and pour them on the canvas. Yeah, a straight pour. Yeah, that's what you call it. All right, so my colors tonight, I decided to go with Hippie Crafters, and this is their Scarlet. And my black is just good old reliable Floetrol black, and good old reliable Floetrol white. So those are the 3 colors we're working with. My pour recipe for the base has not changed. I did paint the canvas, the edges, beforehand. So it's just the 2 of us, Rose and I, her pearl pour, my pearl pour. Let's get it started. So here are my 3 colors. As you can see, the consistency is very, very thin. It's the white and the Artist Loft Flow Black. Very thin consistency. Okay. So in order for me to have an even amount of paint in the cup, I'm going to use these spoons to measure them out. So I'm going to start with a spoonful of black, and just kind of make sure it is on the bottom of the cup. And let's go ahead and add my pearl mixture. And I will have my recipe listed in the description box. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright. I'm just going to do a straight pour in the center, and we will see what we get. Now, even though we have a white base, adding that white to the layers, look how that showed up. So let's torch it. And I see a little bit of the haloing that I like to see with my pearl pores. That's kind of pretty right there. Here we go. So I am going to immediately go off to the side and bring it back down. And we're going to pray that we get some really pretty pearls with this red. Let's come back this way just a little bit. I'm already getting a lot of pearls up in that corner there. Not really feeling this composition. All right, Miss Rose, I think you may got me. You may have got me on this one. Let's see. I think that turned out rather nice. Just like riding a bike. You never forget how to do a pearl pour. Thank goodness this was not a do's and don'ts, because I think I was in a little bit of some trouble trying to make it minimalistic. Pearl pour. So Used my handy dandy white paint, erased a little area, and voila, there we go. So it really developed some beautiful pearls. So excited that Rose and I got together. So let's go in for a close-up if we think we have a little time to do that. And then hop over, watch RoseM Creations and see what she comes up with. Same colors, same technique, but I'm sure it will be beautiful, but completely different. There we are. Here's our close-up. And I wasn't happy with this area here, so I had to get rid of it. But I think it turned out overall very nice. So, as I always say, thanks for tuning in. Too much movement. I'm sorry. Wink, wink. There you go. Stay safe. Stay blessed. See you next pour. Bye.